Electrocardiographic observation of the heart began with Einthoven's limb leads. This was followed by Goldberger's augmented unipolar limb leads. Then Wilson's chest leads. The observable area of the heart has expanded with each generation. Now, Nihon Koden's new technology, synthesized 18-lead ECG, illuminates new regions of the heart to provide critical cardiac information and help you identify invisible ischemia using synECi. The ACC-AHA 2004 guidelines for the management of patients with ST elevation myocardial infarction describe the importance of additional right side and back leads in ECG diagnosis of myocardial infarction. Lead V4R should be used to assess ST elevation, and V7 to V9 are helpful for posterior infarction. Standard 12-lead ECG tests do not record the right side leads, V3R, V4R, and V5R, or the posterior leads, V7, V8, and V9, because of the troublesome procedure and lack of devices which can record 12 leads plus 6 additional leads at the same time. To solve this problem, Nihon Koden has worked with leading cardiologists to develop a breakthrough method of greatly simplifying the process. This is synECi. synECi uses only standard resting ECG electrode placement to accomplish its task. No additional electrodes or special procedures are required. Simply perform a standard 12-lead ECG and get immediate access to the synthesized leads of the right ventricle and posterior wall. Here's an example of synthesized 18-lead waveforms. 6 synthesized leads waveforms at the right, and standard 12-lead ECG waveforms at the left and center.
世の中で今取られている心電図は標準重入動心電図と言われています。電極を手足に4つですね。それから胸部には、胸骨上縁から左の中液下腺までの6つの誘導をとっています。ということは、やや右寄りから背中寄りまで見ているだけで背中を見ているわけではありません。たまたま6誘導、それはできるだけ少ない電極の数で多くを情報を得ようというそういうところの結論でなっているだけで背部誘導を取っているわけではありません。背中の誘導でいろんな情報が得られることは分かっています。となるとですね、重入導を取るだけでアルゴリズムで背部の誘導や右側の胸部誘導が分かるということは非常に意義が大きいと思います。
synECi, synthesized 18-lead ECG, is based on a Nihon Koden patented technique. The synthesized 18-lead ECG is obtained in 2 steps. First, a heart vector is calculated from the actual 12-lead ECG. Next, waveforms for leads V7, V8, and V9, as well as V3R, V4R, and V5R, are synthesized from the calculated heart vector. To verify the accuracy of the synthesized 18-lead ECG, we received actual 18-lead recordings from several university hospitals. Standard 12-lead ECG with actual leads V3R, V4R, and V5R, and V7, V8, and V9. We then compared the actual 18-lead recordings to the synthesized 18-lead ECG. Here is an actual V4R waveform with right ventricular infarction. There is almost no difference between the actual and the synthesized waveforms. This is an actual ECG waveform with observed ST segment elevation. If we overlay the synthesized waveform, we see that, while not a perfect match, the synthesized and actual waveforms are very similar. Other leads also showed good correlation.
通常の12誘導心電図は、少ない電極数で、できるだけの情報を得ようとして取ってるわけですね。したがって、四肢の誘導と、それから胸部誘導は V1 から V6、せいぜい左中液下腺までの情報になってしまいます。ということは範囲が限られています。心臓の前側の情報は比較的強いんですが、後ろ側の情報は分かりません。あるいはもっと右側の右心室の誘導でははっきりしません。それを12誘導心電図を取るだけで背部あるいは右側胸部誘導、特に右心室の情報が、類推ではありますが非常に近いもので得られるということはですね、心電図の12誘導でカバーできない範囲を、評価してもらえるものとして私は非常に期待しています。
Early detection of ischemia is important in treating ACS. synECi, Nihon Koden synthesized 18-lead ECG technology, can provide you with timely, critical information to help identify invisible ischemia.